What you guys, got another video here for you. Now quite a few of you people were asking where my Britec chat server went, and it actually disappeared because I deleted it. Now the reasons for deleting it was because I wanted everyone to agree to the rules to get onto the server, and it broke halfway through and we ended up with a bunch of people coming on spamming the channel and also obviously breaking the rules. Now I know a lot of people don't like to abide by rules, but we have to have rules, especially when you're giving a service to someone and people are coming on. Obviously I need, for legal reasons, have to protect myself, and that's why I've made the room 18+. Now I can't be in charge of everyone using that channel, and this is the reason why I've made it 18+. It's just to protect myself and the actual community. So basically this is what you're going to get when you come onto the server. You're going to get these rules, you're going to need to read them and then agree to them. And the way you agree to them is you won't see any of the channel until you agree to this by typing this little exclamation mark agree. So basically just come in here and put in the exclamation mark agree, like so, and this will automatically give you access to the channel here. So now you've agreed to the terms, you're into the channel, and basically you've got some rooms here. You've got a suggestions area, which is where you can leave suggestions for the chat server, and also requests for YouTube videos and stuff like that in there. Now you may see no PC help and all that stuff. I'm going to be leaving that to the members section, which is what you can't see here. So when you've been hanging around inside the drifter area for a while, I will up people to the member section, which is going to have all those features in there. And this means that if you're a casual user of the chat server, you can use the text area here and the voice chat, and basically chat with other people inside here. And maybe you want to come on once a week or once a month or whatever it is. That means you're going to be a casual user, and you're going to be in the drifter section. But if you want to use the server more often and be part of the community, help with questions, and also post stuff up and chat with people, then I'll soon move you into the members section, where it's more open and there's going to be a lot more people that want to join the community and learn about technology, learn about PC repair business and stuff like that. Or maybe you've got a PC problem that you want some help with, then the members section is going to be the place for that. Now also, again as well, the drifter section is important because obviously these are people that are joining the server that just want to make chat every now and again, and that's fine. But if you want to be a bigger part of the community, then the members section is where to sort of aim for, and the way you do that is by being active on the server. Now the drifter voice chat here, I want people to use the voice chat in a way where they're using it to talk in and not just listen. So if they've got their microphones muted, they will be moved into the AFK section and then be warned, and they'll eventually be muted by the admins or moderators and stuff like that. Eventually we'll get kicked if you keep doing it, and I want people to use that voice chat area to talk and to be part of the community, because obviously at the end of the day this is a voice chat server. You've got the text chat there where you can post stuff up if you're not allowed to speak because you're busy at work and stuff. You can type stuff in there if you wish, but remember guys, just be respectful to people. And remember, we're all on different time zones, so don't expect people to be here 24/7. I am one man, and remember, communicate with other people, not just me. There's other people in the community that we can chat to as well, so it's not just when I'm in there everyone goes in there. That's what was happening before. I want everyone to chat with each other and be part of the community. So anyway, we do run a free strike rule here on the server, which means basically any sort of misbehavior you will get warned, and then the second time you'll get a strike, and the third time you will be banned. Now in some cases you will be banned instantly if you are being severely disruptive. Now you've got an AFK area here. You can't chat in here or type text or anything like that. This is for people that just want to go AFK temporarily. Try to do that every now and again if you're in the voice chat. If it comes to overbearing where there's too many people using the voice chat, I will make another one. I can add more stuff and take stuff away. I'm trying to keep it simple so it doesn't get too complicated, but other than that, everyone should enjoy themselves on here, and it will be here for everyone to use. Now obviously please read the rules. Don't just PM me. I got a load of people PMing me before. I understand that you want to talk to me personally, and you can do that when I'm online, or you can do that when you're in here. You can post a text message up there and I will see it eventually, and I will try to reply to it. If I don't reply to it, then don't take offense. It just means I'm either offline, or I'm busy, or I'm just doing other stuff. Everyone has a personal life as well, so just bear that in mind. Anyway, other than that, I shall see you on the server for a chat if you wish, and hopefully we can get as many people on here as possible and enjoy and build a community for everyone to learn from. So anyway, take care, and I shall see you on the server. Bye for now.